Hello, this is Ms. Zoe, and now let's learn the key structures of Chapter 2, Comparative and Superlative Adjectives. We use comparative adjectives to compare to animals, people, or objects. So let's look at the picture here. We have 3 dogs, Fluffy, Buster, and Dash. So in each sentence, we're only comparing 2 dogs in each sentence. For the first one, Fluffy is lighter than Buster. Okay, Fluffy is only 4 kg and Buster is 7 kg. So Fluffy is lighter than Buster. Buster is lighter than Dash because Dash weighs 35 kg. Remember that we use than after comparative adjective when we trying to make comparison, and it's spelled T-H-A-N, not T-H-E-N. Remember that T-H-E-N is used when you want to talk about what happened next. So when we compare only part of the dog's body, for example, their tails, we use apostrophe S to indicate what they have. For example, here, Buster's tail is longer than Fluffy's. Do not miss the apostrophe S here because it means Fluffy's tail. But we can leave out the word tail because we can find it in the subject already. So, but do not miss out the apostrophe S because if you missed out, you're talking about the whole animal, but not just part of Fluffy's tail. And Dash's tail is longer than Buster's. Okay, again, the apostrophe S. Do not miss out. Remember. So to change normal adjective into comparative adjective, we usually add ER for one syllable adjective like light, long, old. If these one syllable adjective they end with E already, then we don't need to add one more E, we simply add R. So it becomes cuter, larger, and nicer. For one syllable adjective, it has a short vowel like big, fat, thin. Then we double the last consonant. Double G for bigger, double T for fatter, and double N for thinner. If the adjective has 2 syllables, friendly, funny, heavy, and they end with Y, then you change Y to I, alright, before you add ER. Friendlier, funnier, heavier. So when we compare 3 or more things, then we use superlative adjectives to talk about which is the number 1 in something. So here, Fluffy is the lightest. So remember to add the, which means there's just 1, all right? Fluffy is the lightest. And here, Dash's tail is the longest. To form superlative adjective, instead of adding ER, we add EST for adjective like light, long, and old, the one syllable adjective, and they do not have short vowel sound. If the adjective ends with E already, then we do not need to add one more E, then we simply add ST to form superlative adjectives. And again, if this is one syllable with a short vowel sound, we double the last consonant before we add EST to form the superlative adjectives. What is the biggest? Someone is the fattest, or someone is the thinnest. So same concept. If we end with Y, you change Y to I before you add EST. Comparing ourselves with our classmates. Kato is taller and bigger than Sam. Rain is shorter than Chloe, but her hair is longer than Chloe's. Ice is cuter and friendlier than Nathan. Nathan's hair is shorter than Ice. Now it's your turn to compare yourself with your classmates.